Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to use chain rule. So, content of the parentheses we call u. Okay? So I have u equals 1 minus 5x. Because my formula requires me to find du over dx, okay? I'm supposed to find derivative of u respect to x. And this is equal, derivative of constant is equal 0, derivative of negative 5x is equal negative 5. Okay? Next, we're supposed to find the derivative of y respect to u. So we can rewrite y equals u. Okay, instead of the parentheses, I'm going to write u to the power 3 over 5. So dy over du is equal 3/5 u, and I have 3 over 5 minus 5 over 5. This is equal 3 over 5 u minus 2 over 5. Okay? So I found du over dx and I found dy over du. So this is basically what I need in order to find the derivative of this function. So dy over dx is equal dy over du. Dy over du is equal 3/5 u minus 2/5 times du over dx, which is equal negative 5. Okay, please notice that we have multiplication, so this 5 and this 5 will cancel out. Okay, and then I'm going to have positive, invisible positive times negative, so my answer is going to be negative. So I have negative 3, and instead of u, I'm going to write again the content of the parentheses. So I have 1 minus 5x, and I'm supposed to copy down this power, negative 2/5. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem.